Chapter 19 Fire. The old man is preparing the meal in the kitchen. His grandchild is playing near him. Suddenly, the fire breaks out in the frying pan. He tries to cover it with the lid, but the fire moves to another place. This place catches fire. He cannot control the fire. He brings his grandchild and runs out of the room. He closes the door. He is very present-minded. He rings up the emergency. He reports about the fire. The operator records his report. He warns other family members. They all ran out of their rooms. The fire engine rushes to this place. The firefighters put out the fire in a few minutes. At the time, his grandchildren are weeping. He consoles them. Finally, he comes back to his house. He sees that everything is burnt.